everyone, this is Anime Vocaloid, and today I will be playing this game called Raining Tacos. And I love the song. I just love the song, and I found out there's a game. I'm like, why not? I just guess I'll try it. And this one is a free one. I mean, you can buy the one that's for $1.99, but I only tried the free one for now. I guess I'll do this dude right here. Start. Oh, it's snowing.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos.
When you slip,
No need to ask why. Just
hi
open
birdie.
your mouth and close your
Yes, you need to close your
eyes.
eyes.
It's raining tacos.
Am I supposed to dodge it? I guess so. Tacos. All you can eat, lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a treat. Yum, 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 yum. Hard icy. String sour cream. Oh, gosh. Oh, I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie? And I'm getting fatter? That's not right. Just saying. Cheese. Antibiotics? Oh my god, I gotta get that antibiotic. Oh my gosh. I'll be stuck as a zombie forever now. Oh my god. Oh. See, I told you I said I got it for free. And this is what you get. I will be
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Stupid car.
All you can eat.
I got one heart left to do. What should I do? Yum, 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 yum. I feel like this. Yeah. Okay, you know what? Oh, now I got one heart. I wonder if he's going to turn green. You know what? Ugh. Oh, I hope you liked this little preview of me playing this game. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos of me playing games, I guess. Well, I usually do a lot of outgames. But thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.